Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's start this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about timing because one person has asked to me how much time should I give for learning this language. So after that, I thought why not? I should make one video about this topic. Maybe this question would be so many people who is going to learn this language. So this video is going to be very important, so stay connected with this video till the end. My dear friend, if you have the same question, then I would like to say don't try to know about the timing. Why? Because it depends on the person to person, and their लेबल what is their लेबल. लेट्स सपोज अगर किसी का लेबल है कि वो इंग्लिश समझते हैं, वो इंग्लिश लिखना जानते हो, वो लिखना भी जानते हो और उनको इंग्लिश समझ में भी आता है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पीकिंग ही डजंट. तो ऐसे केसेस में क्या होगा कि वो जल्दी सीखेंगे क्योंकि उनको अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी है, उनको लिखने भी आता है, ओनली उनको जो है स्पीकिंग करना है. बट इफ समवन इज देयर हु इज ट्रूली बिगनर, he doesn't know even how to make sentences and frame sentences. उस पर्सन को जो है सेंटेंसेस भी फ्रेम करने नहीं आता है, बनाने भी नहीं आता है, एंड so in that cases it's obvious that time will be taken more. So that is why I am saying that it depends on person to person. If I talk about myself, so when I had decided, at that time I was truly beginner, and moreover I was I am a Hindi medium background as well as belong to village, and people don't speak English, even Hindi as well. So I had not surrounding and background, as well as I was not able to frame sentences. मुझे sentences भी फ्रेम नहीं करने आता था. I was that much truly beginner. But and I was slow learner as well. This is also matter कि कोई जो है फास्ट लर्न करता है, कोई स्लो लर्न करता है, कोई स्लो लर्न करता है. इन माई केस I was slow learner. When I was learning, so same thing I had to repeat 2-3 times. I was not able to understand, and things were not getting fixed in my mind at once. I had to practice 2-3 times, then I was able. So these things are matters and importance, and if you ask to the people, you will get different timing. And why I am telling you should not try to know about the timing, because you will get the different timing if when you will ask to the people. Some will tell you 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, and this is the human tendency. When we know I will have to give that much time, we think that, oh, that much time I will have to give for learning this. No, I'm not going to give. हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि इतना सारा टाइम देना पड़ेगा, तब तो हम नहीं सीखने वाले हैं, बिकॉज ये मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. आई डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम. बट क्या होता है, अगर हम सीखें या ना सीखें, टाइम थोड़ी रुकेगा, वो तो चलते रहेगा, वो तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, पास होगा ही होगा. सो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द टाइम वी रिग्रेट वाई आई डिडंट लर्न. सो you should not focus about timing, how much time it will take, कितना तुम्हें टाइम देना पड़ेगा, कितना एफर्ट देना पड़ेगा, कितना दिन तक प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग यू शुड नॉट थिंक, बिकॉज इफ़ यू नो द टाइमिंग, so maybe you can change your decision that no, I'm not going to learn. Maybe after knowing the timing, it will make you feel hard and difficult. अच्छा ये हार्ड होगा, डिफ़िकल्ट होगा, एंड क्रिएट प्रेशर ऑन योर माइंड. So it's better to know and think about your starting, how you can start, and what is your level, what is your requirement, and how you can start and do your practice and learn this language instead of thinking about timing. जो चीज़ें आपको स्टार्ट करने नहीं देगा, जो चीज़ें आपको आपका जो है डिसीजन चेंज करवा सकता है, उसी उसके बारे में सोचने से अच्छा है कि आप उस बारे में सोचें कि आप क्या करोगे कि ये पॉसिबल होगा। ओके, सो and that is why I am telling, don't try to know about the timing, because when I had started, one thing, one thing what was good with me, no one was there who could tell me the right thing, truth. No one, was here to tell me. I was alone. I didn't have any guidance, and I thought at that time only 3 months I have to give for learning this language. After that, I will speak. Why? Because I had watched on YouTube 19 days में English बोलना सीखे. But once I started learning, once I started learning, only 3 months I gave for developing my understanding and how to frame sentences, how to ask question. I have given ये मेरा अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करने में, क्वेश्चन कैसे फ्रेम किया जाता है, कैसे क्वेश्चन आस्क किया जाता है, इतना तो मैंने इसी सब करने में दे दिया था. बट इफ़ समवन had told me at that time the truth, so maybe I would have also changed my decision. Yeah, I would have not learnt this language with enthusiasm. I was so eager to learn, and I was thinking that only 3 month, मुझे 3 महीने तो देने हैं. But when I passed my 3 month, and after that I was engrossed and started enjoying this journey, so I forget about the time how much I have given. So similarly, instead of thinking about timing, you should think about how you can start, and what you should do, and what is your requirement, what would be your practice, because starting is the most difficult thing. शुरुआत करना सबसे जो है कठिन काम होता है, because at that time we think how much difficult it would be, how much time it will take, I will be able to do or not. But once we start doing, spend some time, after that we start enjoying, हम enjoy करने लगते हैं, and we forget about effort, difficulty, timing, and that time we understand, oh इतना भी difficult नहीं है जितना हम सोच रहे थे. So before starting, don't think about timing, about difficulty, and how much effort you will have to give. Just to focus on starting, because starting is the difficult. Okay, so that is why I am telling, don't try to know about timing first, just focus on starting. So I hope you understood, and you will apply, you won't try to know the timing. I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.